Welcome. In this video, we're addressing the screen freezing issue that some users experienced with the Viofo A129 Duo dashcam, a popular dual-lens system released in 2022. We'll explain why this happened, how Viofo fixed it with firmware updates, and what you need to know. Viofo is a prominent dashcam manufacturer. This dual-camera system features 4K recording, GPS tracking, and ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, alerts. Screen freezing occurs when the LCD display becomes unresponsive during recording, particularly when using 4K resolution or both front and rear cameras at the same time. The main causes are primarily software-related, including buffer overflows in the Ambarella A12S chipset, inadequate heat dissipation, and conflicts with GPS overlays. Inadequate heat dissipation can cause the device to overheat, leading to thermal throttling and screen freezing during prolonged recording sessions. Additionally, low-quality SD cards with slow write speeds can cause data write delays, exacerbating the freezing problem during high-resolution recording. Viofo addressed the freezing issue through firmware updates. These updates are patches that reprogram the device's embedded system. The firmware update process involves the manufacturer releasing updates, modifying code with error checking, and deploying to users. The fixes involved code optimizations for multi-threading, separating video encoding from the user interface. Enhanced error handling was added to prevent freezes during peak loads. Watchdog timers were integrated to automatically reboot the UI if it becomes unresponsive for more than 5 seconds. Code before and after optimization shows how inefficient conditional statements were streamlined to improve performance. Early firmware versions from 1.0.0 to 1.1.2 experienced screen freezing problems caused by bugs in the dual screen interface. The latest stable version, 1.3.5, released in December 2025, specifically addresses these issues by optimizing memory management and reducing CPU overload during high-resolution recording. Updating your Viofo A129 Duo's firmware is crucial to resolve screen freezing issues that occur while recording. There are two main methods: using the Viofo app or manually with an SD card. First method, update via the Viofo app. Download the app on your smartphone, connect your dashcam via Wi-Fi, check for updates in settings, and install following the prompts. Second method, manual update using an SD card. Download the latest firmware from Viofo's official website. Insert the SD card into your computer, copy the firmware file to the root directory, then put the SD card back in the dashcam. Power on the device and go to the Settings menu to install. Important reminder: make sure the dashcam remains powered throughout the installation process to avoid any issues. Many users have shared their positive experiences after applying Viofo's firmware updates to fix the A129 Duo's screen freezing issue. For instance, one Reddit user described experiencing consistent screen freezes every 30 minutes while recording on highways. After updating to firmware version 1.1.0, the problem completely disappeared, with no further incidents reported over more than 10,000 miles of driving. Similarly, users on the Dashcam Talk forum, the world's largest dashcam community site, observed a significant reduction in freezing complaints following firmware updates. They attributed the improvements to enhanced thermal management features that prevent the device from overheating during extended recording sessions. The impact of these updates is clearly demonstrated in user statistics. Before firmware version 1.2.0, approximately 40% of A129 Duo owners reported screen freezing issues. After the update, this dropped dramatically to just 5% of users experiencing problems. These real-world examples and statistics show how firmware updates have transformed the user experience for many Viofo A129 Duo owners, turning a frustrating issue into a reliable dashcam solution. Dashcam experts confirm that firmware updates have significantly improved the A129 Duo's reliability. Surveys show a substantial decrease in freezing incidents after firmware updates. Experts also point out that Viofo's responsive updates set a high standard in the industry. Based on the 2025 survey by Dashcam Talk, about 65% of A129 Duo owners experienced freezing pre-2024, and only 8% post-firmware updates. Dashcam technology is constantly evolving, expect more autonomous firmware updates via cloud AI in the future, minimizing user intervention. Viofo plans to incorporate machine learning for adaptive performance, such as auto-adjusting resolution based on road conditions. However, challenges include cybersecurity risks from connected updates. By 2030, expect fully autonomous updates and edge computing to prevent freezes entirely. Stay updated with the latest firmware releases to ensure optimal performance and stability of your Viofo A129 Duo. Check Viofo's website or community forums for the latest updates.